He waited 20 years to build this 55 Bel Air. It spent 6 years bringing it to life. Meet Maybellene, a 1,000 horsepower dream that was turned into a reality. Today, we interview Mr. Lee Williamson at Autorama, Houston. This is Dan, and welcome to Cruising 365.
Lee Williamson. I own this 55 Bel Air. I've had the car since 2010. It's always been my favorite body style. I bought the car out of Kentucky, did some work on it, found some things wrong with it. Finally decided just to completely rebuild it. Did a complete new chassis, new body. But the only thing left from the old car is the fenders, the hood, and the trim that I had redone and repolished. Decided to paint it. The color is called Sunset, but I'm a Texas Longhorn, so it's burnt orange and white. The wheels are a shot wheel. I was trying to find a wheel that looked like the old Halibran Bonneville salt flat wheels, but I couldn't find any on this scale. So I found these from Shot and picked them out. I like them. I think they fit the car really well. Did the tri-bar knockoff option because I wanted to hide the lugs. And so I think the wheel choice really set it off. Did a all aluminum blown LS3. Right now in the current trim it's making 1,040 horsepower. Right now the car is tuned for 800 wheel horsepower.
To the wheel?
To the wheel. It's an Art Morrison chassis with 4-wheel coilover shocks, 4-wheel discs, independent rear suspension. Car rides like a Cadillac. The car will run 100 miles an hour at 1,800 RPM at 186 degrees all day. 6-speed manual transmission. You got to have a 6-speed manual in these cars.
Oh yeah, fun.
Interior is looking for like a mottled kind of a caramel color to kind of go with the paint. And did the Chevrolet Chevron kind of theme with the seats. You can see in the seats it's got the Chevron theme with it.
So that's a custom interior?
That's a custom interior, one-off interior.
Okay.
Done by Bret Customs out of Houston.
Okay.
He did it for me. He finished it last year.
Okay.
So the build is about a year old.
Okay. And how long did it take to build the car? The entire car?
Took 6 years to design and build a car.
Okay.
20-year dream. 6-year build. And like I said, we finished the build. Finished it last year.
And you're actually driving this car from what I hear.
I drive this car all over.
It's awesome.
I drive this car. I built the car to drive.
You said that you had a 6-speed transmission.
6-speed manual transmission.
Which kind of transmission is it?
It's a Bowler T56.
Okay.
Yeah, Bowler T56.
You know, with that type of power, is it just did you get it rebuilt or?
It's a brand new 6-speed transmission. So 356 rear gears. 6-speed, so I've got all kinds of options on speeds and gears.
Play around with it quite a bit.
Yeah, I can play with it all I want to, yeah.
Okay. And get on the highway with it.
And get on the highway with it. Like I said, it'll run 1,800 RPMs at 100 miles an hour.
Man, that's awesome. First build?
My first ground-up build, yeah.
Wow.
My first ground-up build.
Do you have any intentions of building anything else anytime soon?
Yeah, I'd like to build a Nomad. I love the Nomads, 55 Nomads. I'd like to build a Nomad and then maybe a 62 Impala.
Okay.
That's it, yeah. So, yeah.
Well, Lee, thank you for your time, man.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful car.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Well, there you have it. A Bel Air done right. A lot of times when people do these custom cars, they go too far. They really just miss the mark with a bunch of extras, but this one was just right. Thank you for joining.